Hello and thanks for joining us again on another day on this cottage. The object today is to remove all this. I'm not going to put it outside. Thought about it, but it's just going to get very wet and even more heavy to remove when I do get a skip, which I'm at the moment in no rush for because I don't have enough to fill it. So I'm going to put it in this room here, which with the tarp and the roof is now dry. This wall, nothing's happened to that wall there, nothing's happened to that wall, so there's only that wall to deal with the fireplace and point, as you can see, and obviously deal with the alcove and then point along here. So I can put all my rubble and rubbish here once I move the wheelbarrow and some of these stones which come out of the wall, which will be going back in some of the larger areas in the wall. I can show you there, it's a piece come out of there, but I will put some back in as I point. So I'll move them and then I will move all that plaster rubble to here for the time being. It stays dry, and then when I do get a skip it's a lot easier to put in a wheelbarrow and get rid of. I may be doing the work twice, as in putting in a wheelbarrow twice, but then I still have to do it twice because if I put it in a wheelbarrow and took it outside I'd have to take it out of the wheelbarrow. So it's the lesser of two evils, as in i.e. it's not getting wet and even more heavy, because that'll soak up water and be twice as heavy. After I've done that, I shall then go back to creating some more mess by raking the walls out. So hopefully this week we should get a delivery of sand, sharp sand and sand. I've already got some lime, so then I can get on with starting to repoint these walls. But for today I shall be removing all this rubbish here and then creating some more rubbish in that same location by raking the walls out, which I will then have to move again. So I'll put you on time lapse at some point and you can see some of the antics of what's going to happen today. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll come back at the end of the video to show you the mess I've created yet again. Take care, thanks for watching. Hello and welcome back. Unfortunately today we've not been able to rake out this wall here, from the door there to the window there. However, the wall in the corner, which had quite a bit of plaster on, has been deplastered and mainly raked out. There's a few little bits that need to be done towards the top, but mainly raked out today. So that's not too bad. Need to creosote these pieces of wood and move them outside then I can do above the fireplace over towards where that wooden door is, because that wooden door's blocking up an entrance where someone's actually cut a hole or a door into the gable end that shouldn't be there. That is due to be blocked up, but it's just blocking up an entrance there. We've managed to rake up most of this. It needs a little bit more work, but most of it is raked out as well. Let's have a look over here. This wall here has mainly been raked out. It doesn't look a lot, but it takes a lot longer to rake it out, especially to the depths I want to rake it out to, which is probably about 3 inches. So I'm going in it quite deep. It needs a little bit more work to finish off the top there, and just a bit of tidying up. There's a few bits I'm not overly happy with, but another couple of hours and that'll be completely done. Just like the wall here and the one behind the door here, which I showed you earlier, that's all completely done. It just needs the dust blown out of it, a little bit of water sprayed on it when I repoint it. As promised, I've managed to create a mess on the floor, and basically that is all the rubble or plaster from the walls. so that wall's mainly done. A little bit of work, a couple of hours work and that'll be done. Another hour's work on that one, a bit of wall there, that'll be done, and the same over in the corner, and another hour's work there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 half a day's worth of work to finish off the walls, that one and that one, and I would say this is probably, to be honest with you, to completely rake it out and get it ready is an 8 hours worth of a job, all there and thereabouts, 6 to 8 hours. It just, some of it comes out easy, some doesn't, so but I'll say 6 to 8 hours to get rid of this wall, get this done. Once that wall is done, that's basically everything. Really need to start pointing some of it then, and obviously start stoning up some areas that need to be re-stoned up and blocked up. So just a quick update at the end of the day to let you know where we are. As ever, thanks very much for watching, appreciate it, hope you've enjoyed it, and again we'll see you very, very soon. Take care, bye.